How you feeling, Ise?
Excited. I love this. I love the art. Love it all. Ready.
So from the parking lot, this is the exit only. You gotta come over here to the actual mall entrance and then go around from the inside. We got some 3D glasses. This is the first Meow Wolf that's given us some glasses. Oh, hello, handsome. They made us shimmy and sway to get in. The portal doesn't take you if you're too rigid. Oh, look at the house.
We are at Meow Wolf Grapevine.
And this place is incredible. They call it the real unreal, and it really is unreal in here. So cool.
Hey, this is a secret passageway. You're trying to let everyone know? Come on.
So, as with all Meow Wolves, basically you've got two options. You can come in here and you can follow the storyline, which is always a mystery and you gotta figure it all out. Or you can just come in for the art.
That's my favorite part. I like just going through it and adventuring and finding things and seeing it.
Hello again.
Ah! Hello, Earthling YouTube.
They're fun here. And I really like the storyline. I like figuring out all the mysteries. It takes forever though. So if you have an entire day to spend here, you can go through the emails and the pictures and read the blog posts and see all the things and read everything and look through all the books and stuff. There are clues everywhere. What we know just from like first glance, Jared is a little boy, he's missing, and we've got to find him. And apparently he is lost somewhere here in the real unreal.
Wanna go in?
Oh, it's small. Hey.
This is cool.
This is cool.
Underwater.
That's the same place that we
That goes out high.
Oh. I totally thought somebody else was over there. Like this goes on farther and farther. It just mirrors. That's us. So what are the glasses for?
They kind of just make some things like copy and pop out and a little more 3D. I don't know if it's worth it. They're only $2, but I haven't really used them. This is the first time I put them on.
And you look smashing.
Thank you.
I doubt this is gonna work with just a single lens here, but in the glasses, no, it doesn't. These flowers pop out so that they look 3D. That's kind of cool. We see some light back here. We'll go back there eventually.
I tried to get in there. I thought it was a poison.
Oh, of course. We'll go through this fireplace.
You're good to go. How can I go? Whee!
Oh, the socks.
That's where they go.
Should we go through the dryer?
You want to watch? Alright, let's hear it.
Alright, here we go, through the dryer. That's longer than I thought it was gonna be.
It is not comfortable on the knees.
Yeah.
Which way you want to go?
Oh, look where we ended up. Oh, it's that way. Oh, it's nice and cool in here too. That's gotta be a face, right? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's like those Christmas displays that are coordinated with the music. It's so pretty in here. Box?
Answer the door the first time. These are way cool.
We're on the stage. This is a ramp that goes up to that platform. And one of the things I really like about this is that everything is accessible. Like there's a lot of chutes and tight places to climb through. Right?
But there's also ramps and elevators, is that what you're saying?
Yeah, so you can access any of the rooms. You can get through it easily in a wheelchair.
There's a door, like a regular doorway for every single room.
You can't go through all the places, obviously, but you can get to all the places. The other thing I like is you've got these hidden leaves all over the place that you gotta find.
It says, have you met Muffin? She's a goat who lives in a fridge. She keeps it cool, but she loves it when people show her hot new dance moves.
The inside of a fridge.
Oh, fun.
Lots of fridges. Oh, hello there. Oh, see you later. This is crazy. All of the doors open and they go somewhere else.
It's like constantly moving. I can't.
Oh, that's fun. Oh, astronaut. Yeah, I want to push it, push it, push it. Hey, is that Jared? Coming out of a fridge. Pick a new room. The garden. That's trippy.
There's circles.
Yeah. Getting a little crazy in here. I think we've done all the fridges.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, it does feel like the house from Squid Games. Now I truly feel like we're in a maze. It's fun though, like every little nook and cranny here was designed by different artists. And they all have their own little flavor, their own little design elements. It's really cool. This is way cool. Are the lights coming from behind us? They are. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's really pretty. This is incredible. Can you imagine cutting each of these?
I would love this.
Oh, look at the vine. The person creeping around behind you. Let's go in the treehouse. So the slide puts you out here in the jungle. I love these stairs. And a hamster showing up in all the Meow Wolves. He's behind everything. Slugs on the ceiling. Let's hang out. Here in the beanbag room. You got lots of outlets if you need to charge your phone. do it.
Hash block.
Press digits to self-reflect instead. That's cool. That's way cool. Oh yeah.
Ah!
Okay, so we've been here a little over 3 hours.
Yes, and we're like 99.9% sure we've seen everything. Like,
I think we've gone through all the doors,
think so.
seen all the passageways, seen all the rooms. What were your favorite rooms?
My favorite rooms, I definitely like the dome. I love like the paper ceiling. I just think it's so pretty. Like I would have a room in my house like this. And the one that's kind of like that I said reminded me of Squid Games, where it has like cut out circle
Like that
windows
maze?
and kind of a
Yeah.
maze, and there was some mirrors.
That
I don't
was
know.
cool.
That one just like that was unique. I hadn't seen that before.
My favorite was the big open room with the stage. I loved how all the lighting just was coordinated with the music. I could stay in there for hours and just watch that whole
Yeah,
thing.
that's a good
Loved
one.
that. I also loved the Ambiance Room that had
The clouds going by.
clouds, the Aurora
Yeah.
Borealis. That was really pretty. Love the
That's good.
feeling in there. There are details for sure that we have missed, because we've only found like 5 or 6 of those leaves, and I heard somebody say that there are 18.
Oh wow, yeah. So you could definitely like go through here and just spend a day like trying to find those. You could
Yeah.
spend a day like looking for the story.
Sure, you could find Jared and figure out where he is. We have not, but that's okay.
I'm okay with that.
You don't have to figure out the entire story to truly enjoy this place, and it really is an incredible experience.
Yeah, and that's kind of part of the fun, I feel like, is that if you just want to come experience it, you can come do that. And if you want to like come and immerse yourself like in the story, you can do that too.
One thing about this place though, even after 3 hours, I still don't really know where I'm going.
I still don't know where I'm going, and I would also say like we're about to leave, but there's still part of me that like doesn't want to leave. It just kind of wants to hang out.
Yeah. There's a cafe, ice cream. What are you seeing?
So you can search through, we have people or artwork, and so like you can go to a room and say like, oh, I love this, these are the people who worked on it. Then you can click on them, and it tells you what else they worked on.
Oh, cool. Lots of t-shirts, mugs, random stuff.
Fun. Put this on the fridge.
Oh, nice. I like it.
I like it.
It's like part Meow Wolf vibe and part Mike Wazowski. This is funny. These are single socks.
Problem, you guys have a wonderful day.
Thank you. It's weird seeing Meow Wolf in a mall. Like it feels like it should be a store, and if it were a store, that is the craziest store you've ever been in. But it's like an experience in the mall. I don't know. It's cool. I'm glad that it's a central place. It's really easy for everybody to get to, so more people can experience it. So that's cool.